welcome to Taiwan Top 5!
Ariel, today's theme is super challenging, so I think you're in for a treat.
Why?
Have you ever seen those people on TV doing really cool extreme sports and think they're super cool?
Oh, they look so legit.
I know, right? So today, on Taiwan Top 5, I'm taking you to the top 5 places in Taiwan with extreme sports.
Whoa.
So if you are someone who likes adrenaline rush, make sure you come check out these places, hang out, and bond over some extreme sports.
Can't wait, let's go!
Let's go! A big area next to a very relaxing stream, and it has many recreational facilities such as a basketball court, a badminton court, monkey bars, a rollerblading course, and even a children's playground.
What's most important is this parkour field. Are you ready to learn some smashing moves and tricks?
I am.
Now let's welcome Coach Kwan! Woohoo!
The first one we learned is called precision jump. Precision on the obstacle.
3, 2, 1!
Nice. Good, good.
Did not
See?
go on my countdown.
The next one we call vault. Looks like this. Ah, nice. Easy.
Yeah!
Easy, right?
Okay, we've got this. Okay, go.
Bye-bye.
Oh my God! Let's go!
Coach, high five!
Success.
We did it! Well, that wasn't so hard.
I know, and now that we're experts at parkour, I think we should be on to our next extreme sport. Here we are at Fengle Sculpture Park in Taichung, and it is a park with a nice, pretty, big lake in the middle, a wooden bridge, and an archway bridge like the one we're standing on right now, and it also has many large sculpture art installations. Did you know that it is the first parkour course park in Taichung?
Are we gonna have a competition here as well?
Why not? Are you scared?
No way, bring it on! That was a lot of effort.
That was so tiring.
I saw you trying that out earlier. Is that rock climbing?
Let me show you what rock climbing really is.
Okay.
Let's go. Now we are at Taipei Neihu Sports Park. And remember the rock climbing we saw earlier?
Yeah.
This is the real thing.
I can tell. Look at this huge rock climbing area. And over there is the beginner's course, and this is the training course. And there's also a skate park.
Are you ready to take it on?
Not really. I'm actually a bit tired with all the exercise we've done today.
No, we gotta go because there's something I want to show you after.
Okay.
Easy! Oh my gosh!
Easy. Yeah!
Challenge completed!
I thought you were gonna take me somewhere special.
I was gonna take you to go see some airplanes.
Airplanes! My favorite!
So there's lots to see and lots to do here. Besides the rock climbing wall that we were just at and a skate park like you said, there's also a grassy field for you to have a picnic on and many other facilities for you to try out.
And I'm ready for our next destination.
Let's head on out. Here we are at Taoyuan Bianzhou Pump Track Course, the first pump track course in Taoyuan made especially for bicycles and skateboards.
And there are many courses to try out, like slopes, waves, and little hills. So challenging.
Yeah, and there are some that are even suitable for children as well.
I'm ready. Let's roll. Timing.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Go.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Woo! Yay! Whoa, that was so much fun. The speed, the curves. This is definitely a top 5 without a doubt.
I'm glad to hear that. But I think you'll enjoy our next spot even more.
Can't wait. Whoa, look at this huge court.
We are at Taipei Extreme Sports Training Center, and it is the only one in Taiwan with a canopy overhead, and more importantly, the only one in Taiwan that meets international competition standards. And most of Taiwan's top competitors are trained here.
Not only is this court for skateboarding, it's also okay for BMX. And since we're all geared up, we're ready to skate. Let's skate! Okay, here we go. Mine, you ready?
Yeah.
好，我们眼睛看这边，轻轻的背弯着哦，背要弯着，对，很好，稍微感觉一下重心，身体不要太快翻起来，对，就顺着就下去。那记得我们看回来，这边看回来就好了。
I was born for this. I found my true talent.
来，要走，1、2、3，来，稳住，稳住，哎，很好，来看回来，看回来，看回来，对，很好，很厉害，跳跳，跳跳。
Whoa! I'll stay here for a while.
走，重心，重心，重心，对，来看回来，看回来，对，很好，来转正，哎呦，看那边，对，很好，可以。
The world is just kind of like floating, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great challenge, though.
I want to try again.
Whoa! Wow! If you like extreme sports, these are our top 5 recommendations. If you like our theme today, remember to
Like and subscribe and follow for more
Taiwan